Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate EVgo GoStation alerts using the EVgo app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the EVgo app on your mobile device. If you haven't already logged in, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. Tap on the menu icon to reveal the drop-down options. Scroll down until you find the Settings option. Select Settings to enter the Preferences menu. Within the settings, locate the GoStation Alerts option. Tap on GoStation Alerts to open the alert settings. You will see various alert preferences available for customization. Choose the type of alerts you want to activate, such as charging status or station availability. For each alert type, toggle the switch to enable notifications. Depending on your device, you may be prompted to allow notifications from the EVgo app. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant necessary permissions. After setting your preferences, return to the main settings page. Now, your selected GoStation alerts are activated. You can customize these alerts at any time by revisiting the same settings. Ensure your notifications are enabled in your device settings for optimal usage. Congratulations, you have successfully activated EVgo GoStation alerts using the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.